Next up is the 9th recipe for Christmas. 9 dinner rolls yeast bread introduction. Soft, fluffy yeast rolls served warm, perfect for soaking up gravy and accompanying the main dishes. Ingredients preparation: all-purpose flour, 500 grams, whole milk, 250 milliliters warmed. Dry yeast, 10 grams, unsalted butter, 50 grams softened. Egg, 1 seasoning, sugar, salt. Step-by-step instructions. Activate the yeast. Mix yeast with a little sugar and warm milk. Let stand for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Mix flour, sugar, salt, egg, and the yeast mixture. Knead until the dough comes together. Incorporate the softened butter and continue kneading until the dough is elastic and no longer sticky, about 10 to 15 minutes. First proofing, cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size, about 1 to 1.5 hours. Divide the dough into small portions, approx. 50 grams, roll, shape into rounds, and place them on a baking sheet. Second proofing for 30 minutes, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Presentation and serving. The rolls are typically presented in a cloth-lined basket, served with softened butter or used to dip in gravy. Notes: the milk must not be too hot, below 45 degrees Celsius, to avoid killing the yeast. Please see the 10th recipe next.